Big snowball. What a snowy mess. The Nunu tidied up. Clever Nunu.
Clever Nunu! Big hug, Nunu! Big hug, Nunu!
Teletubbies love the Nunu.
We love Nunu!
And Teletubbies love each other very much.
Big hug! Big hug! Big hug! Big hug! Yay! Big hug! Big hug!
One day, in Teletubby Land, Tinky Winky remembered the snow.
Snow! 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 Tinky Winky!
Dipsy! La la!
Christmas in the United Kingdom.
Get your arm in there. I can't put this on. Oh! We got a halo. We got a halo. I'm ready. Grandma, where's my brown moon? I can't do it. Come here. Hey, don't go around my eyes. I know. Hey. I'm in the daddy and his name is Joseph. My name is Jimmy and I'm Mary. Mary is the mummy of baby Jesus.
He's being Joseph. She's being Mary.
We're gonna look after the baby Jesus. I like being an angel. Angels are beautiful.
They're shepherds.
My name's Zachary. I'm a shepherd. We have to go on the stage and sit near the fire. I'm a king. I wear a crown. I have a nice crown with birds on it.
The three kings are bringing presents.
I'm king number 3, and the baby Jesus will like my present.
One day in Teletubby Land, all the Teletubbies were making snowballs. Tinky Winky was making a snowball.
Snowball!
Dipsy was making a snowball. Lala was making a snowball.
Snowball.
And Po was making a snowball. Tinky Winky had made a small snowball.
Small snowball. Oh, Dipsy.
Tinky Winky.
Dipsy's snowball was bigger than Tinky Winky's snowball.
Dipsy snowball bigger.
Dipsy snowball bigger.
Tinky Winky. Dipsy.
Lala's snowball was bigger than Tinky Winky's snowball, but smaller than Dipsy's snowball.
It's a Lala snowball, baby, bigger than Tinky Winky's, small, Dipsy's. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala.
And Po's snowball was the biggest snowball of all.
Biggest.
What lovely snowballs.
Lovely snowballs. Lovely snowballs.
The Teletubbies decided to use their snowballs to build a snow tubby.
Snow
tubby.
tubby.
Po's snowball was just the right size for a snow tubby body.
Snow tubby. Snow tubby. Snow tubby. Snow tubby.
And Dipsy's snowball was just the right size for a snow tubby head. So Dipsy put his snowball on top of Po's snowball.
No tubby.
Snow tubby. Snow tubby. Yeah, Dipsy.
Tinky Winky and Lala's snowballs were just the right size for Snow Tubby arms.